In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Stockcharts Volume Indicators. We'll walk through Stockcharts' Advanced Charting Platform, or ACP, and bring volume onto your chart along with popular volume-based indicators so you can read activity with more confidence. Start by opening your browser and heading to stockcharts.com/ACP. This takes you straight into the interactive charting workspace. In the symbol box at the top, type a ticker symbol, for example AAPL, and press Enter or click Go. The platform will load a live chart for that symbol, ready for customization. To display basic trading volume, look to the Chart Settings panel. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Indicators and Overlays. Here, you'll see a list of items you can add to your chart. Find Volume and click it to select. Then click Apply or Update to confirm your choice. You should now see volume bars appear beneath the price chart. These bars show how many shares traded during each period on your chart. Typically, taller bars signal heavier activity, and color often reflects whether price closed up or down for that period, helping you connect price moves with participation. Think of volume as the voice of the market. When it gets louder, it can validate price direction. When it's quiet, a move may lack conviction. Next, let's add volume-based indicators that interpret this activity for you. In the same chart settings area, scroll through the indicator list again and click an indicator to add it. A great starting point is on-balance volume, or OBV. After you click OBV, it will appear as its own panel, plotting a running total that adds volume on up days and subtracts it on down days. If OBV trends higher while price rises, that confirms strength. If OBV lags or falls while price climbs, it can hint at weakening momentum. You can also add relative volume if it's available to you via a plugin. Relative volume compares current trading activity to typical levels for the same time of day or period, making unusual spikes easy to spot. When relative volume is elevated, it signals that participation is above normal, which can make breakouts or breakdowns more meaningful. Beyond these, explore other volume indicators in the list to see which align with your approach, and use Apply or Update each time to put your selections on the chart. That's it. Go to stockcharts.com ACP, enter a ticker, add volume from indicators and overlays, click Apply or Update, and then layer on OBV, relative volume if installed, or other volume indicators to deepen your analysis.